In this video, I will show you how to buy Texas Rangers ticket for MLB games. First of all, open up any web browser. Here, search for MLB game tickets. And here you will get sponsored results. If you scroll down below, you will find the link from MLB.com. Click on the URL. After that, you will get the options of various teams. Here you can see select a team written. Click on this downward arrow. Scroll down below until you find Texas Rangers. Click on it. Now you can see you can either buy a single game tickets, you can buy ticket specials, value plays, or you can even buy seasonal tickets, or you can buy 20 game plans, and there are other options as well. If I were to buy all the Texas Ranger game tickets for the season, I would click on season tickets. Now scroll down below. Here you will find the seating map and duration will be the full season. From here you can choose the amount of seats, then the total price for 28 games. Simply click on buy full season. From here go to sections, then pick the section that you like. Click on this upward arrow at the bottom of the screen, then click on buy tickets. After that, you will be able to buy all the Texas Rangers game ticket for this season. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.